How to create barcode labels from a Google Sheet. First, you need to export your student or book information and save it as a Google Sheet. In Workflows, we're going to Schedule New Reports. On the Info Ohio tab, select Shelf List. This is to get our list of titles. So it's going to be our titles for Google Sheet. I'm going to go to the Item Selection tab. For the library, select my building. For my new books, I would come down and under Date Created, I would click the gadget, select a range, and I would pick a beginning and ending date range. That would give me the books that were new during that time period. Then you go to the Output option, select to save the report as a spreadsheet, then go down to the bottom and select the fields that you would like on your barcode labels. I'm just going to go for title, barcode, and call number. Click the Run Now. Click Display Finished Reports. When your report appears, double click on it. You only need the View Result option be selected. Your list of titles will open in Microsoft Word. We're going to then save this as a text file. Now let's go to Google Sheets and import that list of titles. We'll go to File, select Import, select Upload the file, browse and locate the file that we just created. During the upload, we're going to say that we want to replace the current spreadsheet, detect the separator type automatically, and if it asks to convert the text to numbers, say no, and then go ahead and import your data. And here are our titles, the barcode, call number, and title. I'm going to give it a name so I can find it later. Now it's time to actually create the barcode labels. We're going to do this using the Avery Design and Print with Google app, online app. We'll click Get Started. And then look for our label format, our 5160. Say select this template. We're going to look for the empty template and say select this design. Then over here on the left, where it says has the ellipsis and says More, click that and select QR and barcodes. I'm going to add a barcode or QR code. We're going to use a spreadsheet and say Next. We are going to import our data as a spreadsheet. We're going to then browse our Google Drive and find the file that we created. And here it is right here. Select. We can then select which titles we want. I imagine you would probably want all of them. So we'll say Next. We're going to set the industry standard format of the barcode to code 39X. We're going to then drag the data field for the barcode from here up in, and we're going to uncheck the Use to Check digit. Yes, the Info Ohio barcode labels currently do use a check digit, but that check digit is actually already built in and part of that barcode number. Click the Finish button. Here's our first barcode. I'm going to take this and move this down a little bit so that we have room to put in our author and title and call number. So now we're going to click on Import Data and Merge and Mail Merge. Select Choose Fields. Next. And we're going to want our title and our call number. Next. Finish. Here it is. You can see there's a bit of an overlap. So if I click in the title call number area, I can now take this and resize. There we go. Title and call number are now Oops. There we go. The title and column number are now above the barcode. And up here in the upper right, if I click on the next button, I can actually get a print preview. You'll notice that the title will auto resize so that the entire title will fit on the line. Go ahead and click on the preview and print. And there we go. Here are the titles. Here are the barcode labels of the titles that we created.